Drafting replies in WhatsApp conversations shouldn't take up your valuable time. With Periskope AI, you can generate accurate, context-aware replies in seconds. Here's a quick walkthrough of how it works. Here we have a customer who just messaged us asking, "I want a demo, can you schedule a call?" Normally, you would have to type a reply manually and look for the meeting link. But with Periskope AI, you can generate the response instantly. Instead of writing the message yourself, simply use the AI reply feature. Click the AI button in the reply box. Then type a quick instruction like, "Send the meeting link," and click Generate. Because your Periskope AI is connected to your knowledge base, it automatically fetches the correct meeting link and prepares a complete reply for you. Everything is filled in instantly, saving your team time while ensuring the response is accurate. Before sending the message, you still have full control over how it sounds. For example, I could ask the AI to convert it to Pig Latin. The message updates immediately, but since we're replying to a customer, we'll change it back. Now I'll ask the AI to make it professional. The response instantly updates into a clear, professional message that's ready to send. Once you're happy with the draft, simply hit send, and just like that, you've handled a WhatsApp conversation in seconds with Periskope AI.